Hello guys, welcome to Stories We Love. I'm Shivangi and today I'm going to show you a very amazing, easy peasy makeup look. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with my concealer to conceal my dark spots and under eyes. It is Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade Caramel. So I'm gonna conceal my dark areas to get my skin kind of even out. So it's like here. I have some pigmentation on my forehead and here. So this is how we gonna do. Currently I look like a Joker, but trust me, it will be better. So I'll quickly blend it out. And it clearly looks better than before. So yeah, here we go. Next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So this is L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade Radiant Beige, and this is Sugar Drop the Base Serum foundation in the shade 42 Glaze. So I'll quickly mix these two up. One pump of this one and a little bit of the sugar one. I'll mix these two up and apply a little bit over here, 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 and I'm applying it so roughly, but we are going to blend it out, so there's no tension with that. So yeah, I'm gonna blend it now. So quickly we'll blend it out. So clearly we have achieved a very nice even tone skin. So my face kind of looks flat now, but we are definitely going to add some color to it and some definition also. So next thing we are going to do our eyebrows. So I have here is Sugar Archer Eyebrow 3-in-1 Brow Shaper in the shade 02 Toppy Tom. So I'll quickly brush my eyebrows fast. My brows are kind of done already, so I'm not gonna do too much to them. They are perfect already, but we gotta shape them. So I'm just going in with the brow powder, little bit of brow powder just to fill in the gaps. My brows are kind of already shaped, so yeah, just filling these gaps. So next we are going to bronze a little bit, not too much because it's a basic look, but we gotta give definition to this face. So we're gonna make a pout and then here. So the product I'm using here is Sugar Contour de Force bronzer in the shade 01 Toppy Topper. So just I'm gonna take it here and already this side looks a little more defined than this one, so we'll add some bronzer here also. Next we are up with blush. Finally, I love blush. So this is Contour de Force mini blush in the shade 01 Peach Peak. We are gonna get some pink on our pretty little cheeks, so I'm gonna just dab it like this. I just don't know, I like to apply my blush like this only. I just don't go this way all the way around, but like this I just dab it in my skin, and not here but here. So it's like this. There is one more trick. You can just put your fingers here and then you can apply your brush like this. Yes, good to go. So I'm gonna do it same on the next side. So yeah, it's easy. I just like to apply my blush like this only. So it looks perfect. Yes. Next, a little on my nose, a little over here and here, but it's done. Moving on to our eyes, I'm just taking a normal blending brush and my bronzer just to give a little more definition and depth to my eyes. So I'm just applying a little on my crease like this, so it gives it a little more natural effect. Your eyes look deeper and natural. So yeah, I'm just going to blend in like this. I'm not taking too much product because this is supposed to be natural. Yeah. So we are here done with our eyes. They look amazing. Next we are moving on to our eyeliner. So I'm using Lakme Instaliner. This is the matte one, and I just use a normal painting brush in the number 0. I just don't know why. I am very more comfortable with this to apply any of my eyeliner. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm gonna close my eyes, make a nice little line, and go right in. So yeah, it's a very simple little wing because we are not going overboard. It's 5-minute basic look. Done with our makeup. So next we are just going to get our lashes done. I'm just gonna do little curling. basically do it when